on action. Okay, on action, you come out. Immediately you see him come out, you drop this thing and go and meet him. Are you ready? So
come rolling.
Let's hear that noise. You drop it.
Come rolling.
I don't know, man. You know how run for your life.
Oh, thank you. About kickstart.
Sean, you start dragging him. The way they dangle for that is actually like a.
Come blessing, I'm going to do.
Come still rolling. MS, take 2.
Action!
It's just rope, Aunty. Mommy, na rope cloth. My girlfriend. Wait, easy on me, easy.
What is going on here now? What happened? Aunty Onome.
The angle is wrong. You walk like this. Okay. See your normal angle.
I don't go.
You are still speaking English.
Oh, me too. Mommy,
Hey!
mommy.
Hey, Jesus!
Thumbnail.
Now?
To the glory of God, I spread my clothes on our rope.
You see the
I don't go.
Mommy,
Hey, my head
hold on. You say she went out of.
She's off short.
Rope. I don't go.
Hey, my head. Aunty Onome, come and see now. Eh?
Mommy.
Hey, God.
I don't know, mommy.
Cut. You don't maintain continuity, this lady.
Oh.
What did they do? I don't die.
do
Now
love.
like this you go.
Okay.
You do love.
Thank God, sir, catch it. If not, what
do like
for
this.
the continuity?
You do.
You
God
don't
of
like
God.
you don't go like this.
God of
No,
Not
I
like
didn't
this.
want to move.
Action. No, that's wrong. That's wrong.
I'm rolling.
Action with energy, action.
Oh, me too.
Why is white touch on my rope?
Freeze. On action, Aunty Onome. Vex, go inside. On action, just walk out, go inside. Are you ready? Action, you count 3 seconds. When I act that one at the act, after like 3 seconds, then you go inside the Vex.
But as you can see, you can allow her to pass. Come, don't worry, nobody come, just pass. We're not recording you because we don't cut. Just pass and let's continue. God bless you, no problem. I appreciate you.
Sorry.
God bless you.
Let's take it. Let's
Pick up
take
of-
it again. Where she comes in.
Are you getting all of them on the frame? You know what? I'll watch it for you. You have started again.
Eh?
You have started recording me. Then she will take the cloth from you. Action.
Let me wash it for you.
No, don't worry. I'm almost done.
Rolling. Maintain your continuity, Florida. Action.
Wow. Very clean. I don't have Gary.
Okay, cut. See, I want to make one correction.
Oh, you're hungry.
Cut.
I thought she's still coming back to this side, at the first side. My phone was supposed to.
And two.
No. Good day, man. The Bible says I will not die, but I will live to proclaim the word of God in the land of the living.
Cut.
So, flourish. Oops. So, Florida, if there's something else you like to eat, just let me know. Anything.
Rice.
Rice? Oh, I thought you asked for something bigger.
Big rice.
A big plate of rice. Okay, give me a minute. I'm coming. So, Florida.
Sorry.
Finish it. Florrie.
Thank you. Aunty Onome.
Freeze. Change camera, so I can
Pick it up.
Action.
Aunty Onome. Buy food for me.
Oh, Florida. How you doing?
From the beginning, I'm not here yet.
Okay, from COP.
But I'm telling you, you went like this too much.
Oh.
That stand there, that's where you should get to.
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay.
Don't go out of shot, okay?
Oh, okay.
Let's do it again, please. Quickly.
Aunty Onome, give me money. Abina, she dey plan my landlord. Okay, landlord. Yeah, I come.
Florida, I'm saying.
What's that?
She's off. She's already off.
What about you?
Take two.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'll make you go inside.
Alright.
Rolling.
Come rolling.
Action.
Never!
Yeah, keep secrets.
Now, wow! Shoo, come back! Sorry, not the baby shout. I just student. I don't tell them don't come right on time. They still follow me reach. Sorry, guys. I didn't like that.
Go back. Tell you if you wanted to go home.
Four
How
from
that
TOP.
Oppress, that oppress. I want you to I will oppress you. Are you ready from TOP? Rolling.
Mike, I'm rolling.
Action.
Aunty Onome, why now?
Why waiting?
Why you go tell Mama Parrot I tell you?
No be to say Mama Vero talk this and that. Now say make I go ask Sam.
Must you go tell her? You don't think it's secrets, ni?
I no fit keep secret though. I go ask Sam.
Oh, you go ask and I make you go wear black. Black. See you. Aunty Onome, I don't like it.
You say I see. Now what you like trouble?
Thank you.
Why now?
Why waiting?
Why you go tell Mama Parrot I tell you?
No be to say Mama Vero talk this and that. Now say I go ask Sam.
Must you go ask her? Which type of person you be, self?
I go ask Sam.
Oh, now make you go wear black. See them black.
And so?
I don't like it, oh.
Whiskey me.
Aunty Onome, I don't like it.
Cut.
I don't say you too like trouble. Aunty Onome, you too like trouble. You too like wahala. Sure?
What you like trouble?
Aunty Onome.
What you like
Aunty
trouble?
Onome. Oh, meme tue.
Cut.
Aunty Onome.
What you like trouble?
Aunty Onome. Aunty Onome.
What you like trouble?
Yeah.
What you like trouble?
Hey!
Cut. You don't jump before the slap reach you.
Who like trouble? Who like trouble?
That's another Benin now. Sorry. You come back, please.
Jump again. Now.
Who like trouble? Who like trouble?
No.
Okay.
Who like trouble? Then slap.
Who like trouble? Who like trouble?
No. Your hand is too slow. You
Mine
delay
slow.
a little bit. Your hand is too slow. May move fast, boom. Now you go make her look real. Ready? Action. Action.
Aunty Onome.
What you like trouble?
Aunty Onome.
What you like trouble?
Aunty Onome. Aunty Onome. Oh, meme tue.
Why be talking Mama Vero talk this and talk that? Now make I go ask Sam.
Hey, must you go ask her?
I go ask Sam.
You don't think it's secrets, ni?
I no fit keep secret though. I go ask Sam.
Oh, go ask and I make you go wear black. Black. Aunty Onome, I don't like it. I don't like it.
Never. I go oppress you.
You been win.
I go oppress you.
You been win.
Ah, wow! I knew it was a dream. I saw Aunty Onome doing good things. The Aunty Onome that washes clothes, that helps people. Even wash your clothes. I'm not saying a lie. That's a pussycat. See ya. Troublemaker. Now today, find one like Sally.
Now make I go wear black.
Who like trouble? Who like trouble?
Oh, meme tue. Good day, people. It's your favorite boy, Mr. Florida, aka Omimetwe. The gods are angry. Forget English. I want make una subscribe. Subscription is free. Some people say they pay. Come on, they pay. 1 naira, they pay. I beg, just subscribe. That red thing. Just press and cool. You go subscribe. Nobody go beat you. Nobody will slap you. It's free. And as you subscribe, God will bless you. You'll be characterized by perfidy. You will not lack integrity, mendacious mendacity, and moral perpendicularity. Thank you. Only God I know the English I speak. I don't know. Check out the English.